and then they go like that. No, 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 no. You use a spoon, ladies and gentlemen. Use a big spoon to mix everything up, okay?
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Mos and I do some cooking on this channel for you guys. On the menu for you guys today, I'm gonna be making you a Persian starter, you could say. It's called salade Olivieh. It's a starter basically. It's gonna have some chicken, peas, pickled pickled and potatoes. So yeah, stay tuned, let's see how that goes. But before going any further, I need you guys to smash that red button. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. At the end of the video, I want you to drop me a like and comment below, guys. Let's get the video going. Ladies and gentlemen, here is your chicken breasts. All you want to do is one by one take them, get the excess fat or bits, whatever that's not good, remove that, make sure it's all clean, there's no bones. Alright, simple. All you need to do now is place it in the hot water gently, make sure it doesn't splash back onto you because you will burn. So yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There you are. Just make sure they're all underneath the hot water. Let it boil, do its thing. Right, ladies and gentlemen, that's our chicken's been going on for a while. Meanwhile, what I've done is peeled a few potatoes. Okay, now all you want to do is just simply chop them up, just to help it in terms of cooking or boiling rather, and then just chuck it in there. Now this is my first time doing this, so I don't know if I've got too many potatoes or not. I'm just gonna go for it and hope for the best. If it's too much, then we may not use it. If it is, then it is, you know. We're just gonna freestyle it. You guys are gonna come with me on this journey. You are, yeah, there you are, there's that. Pour a bit of hot water in. So as you can see, our potatoes still going, the chicken is still going. Give it a couple of minutes, I'll be rinsing them and taking them out of the hot water. Next up is going to be the eggs. Whilst that's going, I've got pickled here, which I'm going to chop off really finely as I possibly can. So yeah, here we go. Let's start. Guys, the pickle, you want to chop them up finely, yeah? You don't want it thick, you don't want it big, nothing. Just like really small pieces. See what you guys can do. Okay, guys, I'm just going to drain our chicken. I think it's been cooking long enough. So, yeah, let's take this off. Okay, now what you're going to do is pour some more water in, actually, yes. Pour some water in. Oh, look at that. Oh, I was about to say it's not dripping, but then it is. So, yeah, pour that water in, right? And now, time for the eggs. Just going to put 6 eggs in to boil. Okay, right, so everything still remains the same. That's boiling, that's boiling. You can still see a bit of steam. I don't know if it shows on the camera or not. Those are still steaming up, but it's okay to handle, I guess. So we're going to start off by chopping them up, and you want to also dice them up to small pieces as well, right? So yeah, just see what you guys can do with it. Make sure it's all cooked. Well, it is, but just in case, if it's not, then you may need to reheat it. So anyway, right, ladies and gentlemen, that's our chopped chicken. Our eggs have boiled, so I've just turned that off, and I'm about to take it off, drain it as well, let it cool down, and we can peel off the eggs. As you can see, all you want to do is put your chicken in here, right? Get rid of all of that. Just get all of it in. We need it. Love our chicken, we need it. Right, now, on the same thing, don't think it's disgusting or blah blah blah. You will get your eggs. You want to get your eggs, and you want to start chopping them up into small pieces as well. Okay, so this may take a little while too. This one necessarily doesn't have to be so small. I mean, it will do. What you can do is just chop them up, right? Try and get it into pieces. Right, and then just like that. And then what you can do is grab it all up, just chop it up like so. Understand? Get the final bit, pour the eggs in, right? I have drained our potatoes, and now I'm going to mash it. But what you don't want to do is mash it up too much, yeah? Just take it out of this shape. Yeah? There you go. As long as you don't see any whole big pieces, that's it. Just tip it out. You guys watching carefully? Yeah? Simple. Moving on, chopped pickle that we've done. Alright? Pickle. These are for later. We're gonna add some green peas as well. Yeah. Pinch of salt. Pinch of pepper. Okay. Then I like to add a bit of lime juice. And you want to come behind that with a whole tub of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is, yeah. Do another blip, right? Let that go for now. Right, now, time to mix it. No, don't use your hands, guys. Don't do, that's disgusting. Some restaurants I know, some people I know at home, they do this and then they go like that. No. You use a spoon, ladies and gentlemen. Use a big spoon to mix everything up, okay? Don't be sticking your hand in there. That's nasty, man. Ugh. That is really gross. That puts me off. This is why when I go to a restaurant, when I go to a Persian restaurant, I never order this. Because simply I know some of these people are nasty enough to just, instead of mixing it with a normal person with a spoon, they use their hands to dig in, and no, that just puts me off. So yeah. Guys, you want to just keep on mixing it. See what it looks like, how it is. If you need more mayonnaise, you put some more in. If you don't need it, then just let it be. Guys, I don't know if I did mention or not, but this is a cold starter. This is a cold meal. So this is quite warm right now. You do not want to eat this. It's like, if you have this, it's the equivalent of you opening a hot can or a warm can of Coke. When you drink a warm can of Coke, it's disgusting, but when it's served chill, it's amazing. Same thing with this. Serve this chilled. This needs to go in the fridge for maybe like 2-3 hours to really chill out, and then it is ready to be served, guys. Right, so here's what you're gonna do. I'm just gonna put this in just for the presentation, but then it's gonna go right into the fridge. I'm not gonna eat this at all. You would not want to eat this right now. So yeah, you just do that. Okay, you remember these pickles we had earlier? Just put it around. To give it some, to get it out of that plain look. Okay. And so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is your salad Olivieh. You've got the salad Olivieh itself, you've got a bit of bread, you've got a bit of herbs and some, yeah, I don't know what that's called, or those are spring onions. Yeah, bon appetit. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come